In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an email in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy skill, especially when you need offline access to important emails for future reference or record keeping. Let's get started, and by the end of just a few minutes, you'll be well versed with this simple yet essential task. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. You can do this by entering the Microsoft 365 Outlook URL into your address bar. Once on the page, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on this button to proceed. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you have your login details on hand to ensure a smooth sign-in process. After successfully entering your credentials, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. This is where all your mail management happens. Your emails, folders, and tools are displayed here. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it's your hub for all email-related activities. Now, you'll want to locate the specific email you wish to download. Scroll through your inbox or use the search bar for quicker access. Once you find the email, click to open it. Viewing the email in its entirety is necessary so you can access further options for that email. With the email open, notice the toolbar at the top of the window. Look for an icon that resembles 3 dots. This icon often represents a menu with additional options. Hovering over it or clicking will reveal further actions you can take with this email. Now that the menu has expanded, scan through the list of options and find Download. Clicking on Download initiates the process of saving this email onto your device. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked to select a download location. Choose a folder you'll remember. This makes it easier to locate the email later on. And there you have it. The email is now successfully downloaded to your device. This process ensures you always have a local copy of crucial communications right at your fingertips. Remember, having such backups can come in handy, especially if you anticipate being without internet access or if you need to share the email through other media. I hope you found this walkthrough both clear and helpful. Downloading emails in Outlook is designed to be straightforward, but if you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to check Microsoft's support resources for additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.